the line segment AB meets the coordinate axis in the points A and B. If point P of 3, 6 divides AB in the ratio 2:3, then find the points A and B. Solution. Let the points A, that is x, 0 and B, that is 0, y, given point P, that is 3, 6 divides AB in the ratio 2:3, that is AP is to PB is equal to 2:3. Using section formula, we have P of x, y is equal to m1x2 plus m2x1 by m1 plus m2, m1y2 plus m2y1 by m1 plus m2. 3, 6 is equal to 2 of 0 plus 3x by 2 plus 3, 2 of y plus 3 of 0 by 2 plus 3, which implies 3, 6 is equal to 3x by 5, 2y by 5. On comparing the x and y coordinates, we get 3x by 5 is equal to 3 and 2y by 5 is equal to 6, which implies 3x is equal to 15 and 2y is equal to 30. Solving this, we get x is equal to 15 by 3 and y is equal to 30 by 2. Further simplification of this will be x is equal to 5 and y is equal to 15. Therefore, the required points are A, that is 5, 0 and B, that is 0, 15.